Today on Ready Steady Eat, we are going to make a deep fried famous Indian pastry which is also known as khaja. Try this khaja recipe on any of the upcoming special occasions to your praises from your family members and guests. Since it's a good keeper, the khajas can be stored in airtight containers for up to 2 weeks. Before we begin with the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. First, we will take a bowl and add in 1.5 cup of refined flour and 3 tablespoons of ghee. Using our hands, we will mix together the ghee with the flour until it turns out to be crumbly, just like this. Just rub it with our fingers. Now let's add in water and make a soft dough. Make sure you do not add a lot of water. So remember, we have to make a soft and smooth dough. We don't have to make it too hard. So our dough is ready. Let's take a lemon sized portion out of it. Now spread some refined flour on the board and press the dough using your hands and roll it out into a big flat roundel. Apply half a teaspoon of ghee on top and spread it across evenly. The ghee is the important ingredient in the recipe as it will make the khaja crispy. Now sprinkle some flour on top. Now we will place another roundel of the dough on top and press it nicely. Similarly, we will repeat the process and make 5 layers. Once the layers are done, roll it out into a big cylindrical shape just like a Swiss roll and cut it out into 1-inch pieces just like this. Now let's take one piece and press it using a finger and roll it out lengthwise. Similarly, prepare all the khajas. Let's fry it in medium hot oil until they turn golden brown. Perfect color, isn't it? Now let's make the sugar syrup. For that, in a pan, we will add 1 cup sugar and a half cup water and keep stirring until the sugar melts. We have to reduce the sugar syrup to a 1-string consistency. You can even add half TSP of lemon juice to it, but it's optional. Once done, we will dunk the khajas into the sugar syrup and let it soak for at least 2 hours and then serve it. Perfect golden and super delicious khajas are ready to be gorged on. I'm sure you will love the recipe and don't forget to leave a comment below.